Once upon a time in the high seas, three brave pirates found themselves in a legendary crash known as the Splash Attack. Out of the 300 pirates on board, only 30 survived. But instead of giving up on their dreams, these three resilient pirates decided to make their ship a school.
And they named it the Splash Academy.
At this unique institution, they taught their students how to find treasures, how to fight like a pirate, and many other pirate-related skills. They wanted to ensure that the next generation of pirates would be well equipped to navigate the high seas and live the pirate life. And so the Splash Academy became a beacon where students learned the art of piracy and the importance. It's a story that reminds us of the resilience and the power of education, even in the most challenging circumstances.